friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Hope you are all doing very well. And today's dish is all the way from Brazil. I love that country, I love the cuisine over there. So today for a change, I thought let's prepare some Brazilian dish. We are going to make filet de frango acebolado, which is the chicken fillet topped with onion and mayonnaise sauce. The sauce is very simple, the dish is mild in flavors but yet so delicious. They don't use any spices except black pepper. So if you want it little bit spicy, you can use chili flakes. But I'm preparing the same way without making any changes to the original dish. So let's get started and make filet de frango acebolado, a Brazilian dish.
Here are the ingredients. I've taken chicken fillets, 3, the breast pieces. We are going to flatten them later. 3 medium onions cut into round slices. Crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon. 1 lemon. And then we have mayonnaise, about 3 tablespoons we are going to use. Oil as needed. Salt to taste. And black pepper for seasoning. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box as well. First, let us flatten the chicken breasts. Easy way to do is put it into a Ziploc bag and then flatten it with meat mallet. This way it's not going to be messy. Your board also will not be messy and it will be neatly done. By flattening it, it becomes very thin. The fillet is nice and thin and gets cooked very fast. Look at how thin. Nice. The same way, repeat with all the fillets. If you don't have a meat mallet, you could also use a rolling pin to do this. That also works. Here we go. All the 3 fillets are done. Now let's marinate them, which is very simple, just 2 ingredients. I like the simplicity of this dish. Sprinkle little salt. And some black pepper. Finally, squeeze out some lemon juice over them. That's it, just the 3 ingredients. Brazilian dishes are not complicated at all. They are very simple yet so delicious and delectable. Now we are going to repeat the same on the other side. These pan-fried fillets are usually served plain also without the topping. When you go to Brazilian buffet lunch, you get these pan-fried fillets and some vegetables on the side, which makes a very light meal. A small request, if you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. And don't forget to choose the all option from the drop down menu so that you don't miss out any. Now the marination is done. Cover the platter with a cling film. Now refrigerate this at least for 1 hour. Now let's make the onion sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the crushed garlic and saute it. until it changes the color and gets cooked. Now dip in the onion rings or slices. Stir them with a spatula. They'll get separated by itself. Saute them until they are translucent. Don't let them become brown. Add little salt. This will bring out the moisture. Now we'll cover the lid and let them sweat a bit. The moisture is released and they are little translucent now. That's it, you don't have to cook more. Now add the mayonnaise. Toss them immediately so that all the lumps are broken. Keep mixing and add 1/4 cup of water. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens. Make sure all the lumps are broken. Half a minute or so you need to cook, not more. Before that, season with black pepper. If you wish, you can add any herbs also, but I am not changing the recipe. This is how they make in Brazil. Choice is yours. You may add some dried herbs of your choice. Cover and simmer it a bit on low flame. You can see the sauce is ready now. It started bubbling and it's thick now. Now take a grill pan and spray oil. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use a normal pan. Line the fillets on it. Keep adjusting the flame. Now you can reduce to medium. Later on again make it high until the fillets are done. Spray oil on the other side as well and flip. This way fry them until they get a nice color and they are done, flipping them few times. Today for the recording purpose I have done the chicken and the sauce separately, but what you could do is while frying the chicken you can also make the sauce ready on the other gas so that simultaneously they are done together and the dish is ready for you in 10 minutes. Lovely. I like these marks on the fillets, pan marks. It took less than 10 minutes. Cut out a tiny little piece to check out if they are done. Yes, they are ready. Very well cooked. Beautiful. Transfer them into a serving platter and spoon out the onion sauce on them. You can serve them with some vegetables of your choice on the side. I love potatoes and broccoli. Potatoes are boiled and then sauteed in the pan with little herbs, and broccoli is blanched and tossed with lot of garlic. Now season them with little black pepper, or as I mentioned, you could use red chili flakes also. Make and enjoy this easy, simple, quick and delectable meal. Very light. I'm sure you're going to love this Brazilian dish. Tasting time, let's check out. See how well the chicken is done. It pairs very well with potatoes and broccoli. It's really amazing. This chicken has no spices, no herbs, yet it is so delicious. I love this crunchy broccoli with garlic flavor. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You might like to watch them too. Take care. Have a nice day.